Hello guys, today's one is the PythonX M1 Scalper Gold USD. It's a paid expert advisor on the MPO5 market, currently sitting at about 1500 US dollars. Used specifically for gold on the 1 minute chart. We have options to rent for 1 month at $500, 3 months at $700, 6 months at $900, and 1 year for $1,000. It was built by Abhinav Puri from India, and he positions it as a precision scalping system that doesn't use martingale or grid, and claims some pretty big numbers across multiple brokers. And see high as $500,000 net profit, all with that grade on martingale risky position scaling. Let's dig into what they actually say on the product page. And before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candles patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now back to the EA. So according to the description, this is a specialized high performance scalping framework made only for gold USD on the M1 time frame. They say it uses a full stack of synchronized confirmation filters that work together, even if you disable some of them in the inputs. The core entry signal is engulfing candlestick pattern detection. That is the main reversal signal or trigger. Then it layers on a CCI filter to check overbought or oversold strength, RSI for momentum, and possible divergence. An EMA filter to keep trades aligned with the broader trend, and volume spike detection to confirm real activity behind the move. The idea is that all these pieces talking to each other cut down on false signals and give higher probability entries. Now in our trade management side, there is a fixed take profit of 170 pips, stop loss 145 pips, an optional 24-hour trading toggle, and the ability to choose which day of the week it trades. Again, they stress no martingale or no grid, and only clean event-based entries only. Now, PythonX employs a smart slot sizing strategy with a pre-calibrated fixed approach with no dynamic compounding, no multipliers, and no increasing size during drawdown. Later, they unlocked adjustable dot size so you can set it yourself. What they call message is controlled growth without risks stacking. If you check below, they have a big table of multi-broker backtests, all starting from a $500 deposit, only 1:500 leverage. We have 9 brokers shown here. We have our IC Market, XNext, AutoFX, FS Pro, and the others. A net profit range from $255,000 up to just over $500,000 over multi-year periods. Now you can go through this to see it for yourself. Now the avatar screenshot below for complete transparency from the brokers, the 9 brokers. The page pushes the idea that these results hold across different brokers and long time frames. That's the usual risky methods. Now you can go through the page and see for yourself in details. Now these are the 9 brokers that tested it on. And we'll see if their claim holds up in my own backtest. Now let's look at what actually happened when I ran it. Tested from June 2025 to June 2026 on the gold USD M1 time frame with a $10K certain deposit, 1:500 leverage, and 1 minute OHLC modeling. And history quality came back at 100% if we are looking at the backtest. 100%. The result was a net profit of 11.24 or 11.25 approximately. Profit factor sat at 1.01. Our equity drawdown marks at 87 approximately, 87%, and our balance drawdown maximum marks at 84%. Our recovery factor was 0.07. Now we are looking at the trades it took over 500 trades to win rates around 45 or 46%. The longs are a bit better than short, but still under 50. Average winning trade was about $401. Largest profit trade was 850. Both above the loss trade, largest and lowest at 743, 744, and $336 approximately, respectively. And moving over to the equity curve, you see it starts with some ups and downs, climbs for a while, then goes into a long grinding decline through late 2025, as you can see on the chart. It bottoms hard near the end of the year and only recovers partially into early 2026. You can see multiple deep valleys where equity drop well over 50% from local peaks. And deposit load stayed mostly low but spiked during the worst periods. If we compare that to the developer's multi-year $500,000 claims from a $500 start, the gap is obvious. I even use a 10k deposit and a serious short in our net profits. Now the fix 170 to 145, which are take profit and stop loss pips in pip structure, and filter stack are the parts that actually matter in practice. Everything else is secondary. And if you understand, or if you're a good trader, you will know that in life conditions, the spread, slippage, and new spikes on gold M1 will only make those deep drawdowns more likely. The numbers look smooth and massive, but this 1 year window with solid modern quality shows almost no edge after costs and drawdowns that will wipe most accounts. Honestly, the thing is this type of M1 gold scalper lives and dies by brokers' conditions and how clean the data is. The equity curve here tells the real story better than any marketing table. It's not a disaster in pure profit terms over the year, but the path is brutal and the recovery is almost non-existent. If you are running it, you need extremely tight spreads, a solid VPS, strict daily loss limits, and a stomach for 50+% swings. Most people, especially firm traders or anyone with limited capital, should stay away as the drawdown can hit heavy. It's better treated as a curiosity to test on demo than something to put real size behind. Now, if you found this useful, drop a like, subscribe for more EA reviews as we drop always, and leave a comment telling me which robots you want me to tear into next. And don't forget to grab that free multi-indicator robot from the link in the description. Trade safe. Thank you for watching. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.